Sing a song, we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club.
Driving in my car. Vroom, vroom. Oh, hi. I'm going to visit my friend Teddy. In my car. Do you want to come along for a ride? Buckle your safety belt. Let's roll. Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car. Driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Yeah! Woo! Bouncing on a bumpy road, stopping for a hopping toad, going to my favorite park. Bye! Hurry, before it gets dark. In my car. In my car. Driving in my car, going very far, down the street in my car. Driving in my car, feeling like a star, bouncing down the street in my car. Driving in my car, turn the handlebar, speeding down the street in my car. Tootin' on the horn, driving round from dusk till dawn, going near and going far. I'm a superstar, yeah! In my car. In my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving in my car. Driving. Eep! You're here!
What a great car!
Why, thank you!
What should we do today?
How about we go for a drive? Fire engine, fire engine. Hi, I'm Eep, and today I'm a firefighter. Have you ever pretended to be a firefighter? Are you brave? Are you strong? Do you help people in trouble? Do you like big trucks? Me too! I have all my gear, ready in case of an emergency. I have my helmet, my jacket, and my big red fire engine. Do you hear that sound? That sound means someone needs our help. Come on, let's go! Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. It's an emergency. quite a day. Firefighter Eep here. What's the emergency?
Eep, it's Mary. My cat is missing again, and Jack can't find his cat either.
Uh-oh. Did you check the trees? Did you hear that? Mary, hold on a second. Mary, looks like your cats wanted to ride in my fire engine. Don't worry, I'll bring them back. So, looks like you two like my fire engine as much as I do. Okay, fire cats. Want me to put on the lights? Okay, here we go. Down by the bay.
Oh, hey! Welcome to the bay. Do you like to explore? Do you like to go on adventures? Awesome! This just so happens to be a very special spot. Would you like to explore it with me? Cool! Look! Did you see that? You should know we might run into some animals. And those animals might be doing some pretty silly stuff. So quick! Be a bold, brave explorer with me. Come on! Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a goose kissing a moose? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale with a polka dot tail? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly wearing a tie? Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a bear combing his hair? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see llamas eating their pajamas? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go. For if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a snake baking a cake? Did you ever see a frog walking his dog? Did you ever see a mouse painting his house? Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay. Wow, you're a great adventurer. Thanks for exploring the bay with me. Well, I've got to get going home. I can't wait to tell my mom all about the incredible animals we saw. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Did you ever see a guy saying goodbye down by the bay? See you next time.
Fooba Wooba.
Hi, Super Jack here. Did you know you have a superpower? We all do. It's called the power of imagination.
And that just means using your brain to think about something that's not really there. If you've ever played pretend, you've used your imagination. It's super fun. Will you imagine with me? Awesome. Let's think of an animal. How about a dog? Whoa! Now, let's really use our imaginations. What if the dog was blue? Awesome! With red polka dots. What? And wings. Bye, doggy. Would you like to have more fun with your imagination? Awesome! Let's sing a song and imagine more animals doing the silliest things we can think of.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Saw a snail chase a whale.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Saw a snail chase a whale.
Fooba Wooba John.
Saw a snail chase a whale all around the water pail. Hey John, oh John, Fooba Wooba John.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba. Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Saw a frog chase a dog.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Saw a frog chase a dog.
Fooba Wooba John.
Saw a frog chase a dog sitting on a hollow log. Hey John, oh John, Fooba Wooba John.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba. Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Saw a flea kick a tree.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Saw a flea kick a tree.
Fooba Wooba John.
Saw a flea kick a tree in the middle of the sea. Hey John, oh John, Fooba Wooba John.
That was fun! What other funny animals can you imagine?
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Heard a cow say meow.
Fooba Wooba, Fooba Wooba.
Heard a cow say meow.
Fooba Wooba John.
Heard a cow say meow. Then I heard it say bow wow. Hey John, oh John, Fooba Wooba John. Hey John, oh John, Fooba Wooba John. Fooba Wooba John.
Wow! You have a great imagination. Thanks for sharing it with me. Before I go, could you help me imagine one more thing? Cool! Thanks! Alright, help me imagine that I am a cartoon character! Whoa! Well, I guess we're out of here. Keep imagining. Bye!
Little Bunny Foo Foo.
Mother Goose, may I take 3 bunny hops forward?
Yes, you may.
1, 2, 3. Aw, did you see that, Eep? What a sweet little bunny.
Well, I don't know, Bo Peep. Not all bunnies are sweet. Remember the story of little Bunny Foo Foo?
Oh yeah, I do. That was one tough bunny.
Yeah, he sure was.
Hey, do you want to tell the story using our hands?
Sure, join us.
Little Bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I'll give you 3 chances, and then I'll turn you into a goon.
Little Bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest.
and she said,
Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I'll give you 2 more chances, and then I'll turn you into a goon.
Little Bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I'll give you 1 more chance, and then I'll turn you into a goon.
Little Bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little Bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I gave you 3 chances, and you didn't behave. Now, poof! You're a goon! And the moral of the story is, hair today, goon tomorrow!
"Oh, look! You're right, Bo Peep. That is a sweet bunny."
Yeah, he's sharing like a good friend.
Bye.
See you next time. Okay, Mother Goose, may I do 5 cat meows?
If you give me cheese. Skidamarink.
We've already brushed our teeth, and we've already read a bedtime story.
Wait, we can't go to bed yet.
Why not, Mary?
I don't think I'm tired yet. I'm so excited you're sleeping over.
I have an idea.
More books? A pillow fight?
No. How about a bedtime song?
Ooh, I know the perfect one.
Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skidamarink-a-doo, I love you.
Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skidamarink-a-doo,
I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skidamarink-a-doo, I love you.
Are you sleepy yet?
Let's sing it one more time.
Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skidamarink-a-doo,
I love you. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skidamarink-a-doo, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skidamarink-a-doo, I love you. I love you.
Good night, Teddy.
Good night, Mary.
And good night to you too.